All right, so the other thing we're going to be doing for this FJ is we're going to be adding some rear speakers. So if you bring about a 5-inch template, you can actually hold it right here. Look at that, it fits perfect in here. And by the way, these are where the grill would sit, so we know that the grill will fit on in that area. Next thing I'm going to tell you to do, if you're going to add rear speakers back here, pull the seal, grab this, and careful, there. You're going to look in there, and again, I can't really show you because I don't have my flashlight in my hands, but look in there and just make sure there's no wiring in your way before you do this. What you're going to require is a 5-inch hole saw and some 5-inch speakers. Start your hole saw very, very gently, and then as you go through, it'll drill, then it'll catch, it'll cut the hole out, and then after that, you'll have the perfect spot. Take a look at that. See? Big open spot, lots of room for any size magnet. And then same with right here, big open spot. You would almost put mini amps in here if you got mini amps, but of course you wouldn't go to the back end because that would be mounted to the outside of the vehicle and you don't want to do that. So as you can see, we have these holes now to add rears, and to run wiring will be easy. We just tuck it in down here, and we can even bring it in through the door sill right here. So if you weren't going to amplify your system and just add rears, you would simply just pop the wire in here, and then you could run it down through. I'll just edit in that other piece for people that are just going to add rear speakers to the back of their deck. Quick thing for you, if you're doing that, make sure that you hook it up to the greens and the purples on your aftermarket deck. Those are your right, and it'll say on the harness usually which one is left and which is right in the rear. And then you're just going to delete those two. I think there's 2 little mini speakers or something in the headliner, because if you try to bump them to get sound, it sends a nice sound through the headliner, and we're not going to pull out the headliner or replace those. Take the piece of plastic, flex it, take your hand, feed it through the hole like that. Once you do that, grab that with my non-existent hand. This is probably going to fall in. Oh, it didn't. Perfect. Slap that there. See how it runs down here? Now, if you weren't running an amplifier, you would just grab this, pop this up with your fingers, and do that all the way to the front. That one would have a piece on it. I haven't put it back on yet. A little black thing you would have to unscrew. When you did that, you could get at it. You'd also have to just pop off the dead pedal. It just literally pops forward and off. Now, once you do that, pretty easy. You can pop up this carpet and feed the other side just by lifting it. So feed it down that pillar, just like we do right here, into this rubber floor, carpet, whatever you want to call it. Pop it up just like this. Grab it and pop it up. You can get your hand in there and feed it through the bottom. Bring it down through here, along, up into here. If you go into the dash right here, super easy because it comes up just under here. Zap strap the wires across, up over here, come up, and you should be able to reach in here and reach down to there pretty much. Grab it or use a zap strap, piece of hairy wire, whatever you want. Feed it down over there, bring your wires up to here. This is going to be the deck harness here. See these purple wires right here, purple and green? Off the deck side of the harness, not the vehicle side, green is left. So green black is negative, green is positive, and then on the right it is purple, and then as you know, purple is positive, purple black is negative. Go ahead, hook those up to the deck, and you'll start hearing your rear speakers working. If you're curious on how to pull the stereo out and all that other fun stuff because you haven't done it before, don't worry, I'll put a video in the description. Make it super easy on how to pop out the stereo. I decided to solder mine. You can also buy the big blade and mini blade and use those. I just hate how often they fail and then it slips off and then you have to pull the speaker out and put it back on. So if I were you, slide it through the opening in the little blade and then go ahead and solder on. Take a look at that. So these are the JLC2s. I think they look really, really good. I mean, if you're only going to be using deck power, use the C1s, but if you're going to amp them, use the C2s. They look nice and clean. Just use a set of coaxials. I wouldn't add a tweeter up here. I mean, if you really wanted to, there might be an airbag or something up here. I wouldn't bother up here. Just do a coaxial right here. It'll be perfect. Add a little bit more sound just behind your head.